Yes. So what's up, guys? It's been a while. If you hear any humming or whatever, it's because the air is on because it is hot. But today we have this beauty, which is from WestKissHair. And I'm going to say this off rip. I'm going to wear the lace off of this wig, okay? It is a 30-inch HD lace joint. But the lace, just the way that this wig is put together, we're going to get to that in a second. These are all, the things of the thing. So, by this point, there's nothing really new that really shocks me at all. Um, Look at the just how long and how much carpal tunnel it used to take for us to get to this place. And I always used to be like, what is the point of y'all giving us these super thick wigs and all we're about to do is just pluck it out anyway? It's already bleached. Thank the Jesus to the Christ. And it's perfect. It's not over bleached. It's not under bleached. It is perfection, darling. So this is the inside of it. It does have that strap on it. This strap, me and that strap never get along. I find that a lot of times when I do use it, it just pulls my wig back. Like in the front of my head, my wig starts to slide back. And y'all see that in a second. So it came with these prom curls in it. And this is because of the fact that it was already curled. And I didn't want to have to go through and recurl the entire thing. Because the point is, straight out the box is how we rock over here. So this is what it looked like. It was very bouncy, very voluminous. And again, I could have just put this on, glued it down, and went about my day. I did not, but I could have. I tried to do something a little different. So while I was doing another wig, I was like, I just want to go through in the front because the front was kind of flat. And I feel like in the original, before it was put in the box and shipped, I feel like it had a lot more body to it. So I just went through and curled it a little bit and put some Velcro curlers in it. Eventually, it just fell out. If I would have really went in with a little mousse and the goods of the goods, then I would have been good. But we chose not to do that because who has the time, girl? Who has the time? And I've noticed, like, I try my best to keep as much heat out of my units as possible, especially units like this that I'm kind of like overly obsessed with. And like I said, I'm gonna wear the lace out of because these are the type of wigs that go with any and everything. It's not straight, so I don't have to make sure my hair was always bone straight, but it's not curly. Girl, look at my tan, y'all. Look at this Farmer John tan. Okay, let's just say my summer has been summering, okay? And yes, I'm using sunscreen. So anyway, this was another day because my makeup is going to change, where I just wanted to try it on straight out the box after I put the rollers in it. These are some Velcro rollers I got from, I think, Conair. I got like 2 packs of them. And as you can see, which I don't get this often, this wig fits my head perfectly. So as you can see, it fits my hairline. It has the darts on the side. It doesn't go straight down. And she's long and very, very full. Well, if I feel like if I straighten this, it still would be pretty full of a unit. Because even just this right here without the top, it's a lot of hair. So as you can see, it comes down good long on the side because I hate when the sideburns be really short. I prefer them to be extra long because I'd rather be safe than sorry, okay? But look at that. Look at that. Look at, you can, if you was just not seeing the outside of this, you would never know that this was not my hair. Then I'm like, your hair real neat. I know. So a whole nother day, a whole nother look. So we went in. And of course we did the typical combing to make sure that all of this is out of the way because you don't want to glue down the hair on the side. As y'all know, I am not the biggest fan of the extra baby hairs, so we're going to try not to do that. This is my Liquid Bold Hold Gold Reloaded. A handful, I know, but yeah. I tend to put this in my hair too. I haven't had any personal issues with it, but it does keep my hair down because like I said, I do have those darts on the side, so I need everything to lay properly and then some. So here I just went in, laid it down, put it on cool, and then let it seize up on the side. I mean, I'm talking about rigor mortis and you gonna feel it. Once that ends up happening, then usually at this point, I like to let it sit and I will wrap it, which I will do in a second. But I do like to wrap it just due to the simple fact that sometimes you think your hair may be done and then you'll go to comb it and you'll notice like there might be a little piece right there that doesn't have enough glue on it. And we all know what happens. When one tatter starts, the entire world starts, and that's not a good, especially with these hot days. So this is after like 20 minutes, and as you can see, she ain't coming up unless somebody throw a glass of water on me. So go in, and I went in, cut. Now this is something that I've started doing recently. I like to over glue my lace in the front. The reason why I like to do this is because I know for a fact that everything is laid down, and it's much easier for me to pull it up and get rid of it than it is to have to keep going in and doing it in spots, in sections, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so I find it much better to just do this. So we went in. Clearly this clip was supposed to be before this one, but that's fine. So anyway, so you see it's a little white, right? Okay. So let me tell you what you do. Because of this liquid, water is your best friend. So if you go on with a damp towel, and you press it in, notice that the whiteness disappears. This is the trick, girl. This is why I don't mind. Because if you try to over glue it with regular glue, this is going to be a mess. Like a full-blown mess. So as you see, just go in and press it in. And then on the fact that the lace is HD, is going to make this. Because if I did this with standard lace, it probably would look okay, but it wouldn't look like this. Not even close. So the fact that this is HD and this lace is so thin that it blends in like that is amazing. Like, come on now. Come on now. Who's your daddy? I'm just saying. So I usually let it cool like a little bit, because sometimes if you do put too much water on it, it will start to want to come up. So just let it dry. It's not going to take long, but just kind of let it dry. And yeah, you just go in and press it in. If you see any white on it, just press it in with a little bit of water and let it dry, and you will be completely and utterly fine. And then once I put my foundation on, because I don't have any on, boom, there it go. There it goes, straight from the scalp. Come on, sister. So WestKiss, this would be my #1 wig for 2024. This would be in my top 5 of 2024. And I did curl it. However, I did not get any pictures in it because, again, it's been so hot. But I did curl the top pieces, and they did hold for quite some time. This was the aftermath of that. So yes, let me know if you like this. This is your judge, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Peace.
How fast can you get to me? Can you take the train? You know what I'm saying? Get to me. Come on through my hollow sheets. How soon can you come scoop me? I know what you're saying. This is an emergency. This is what you're doing to me.